Annie, what is Baby Chimp saying?
He's saying that he's worried. There's trouble up ahead. What is it, Baby Chimp? What kind of big trouble is up ahead? He's telling us that something up ahead goes down, 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 down. Do you see something up ahead that goes down, 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 down? Yes! It's that waterfall!
A waterfall! Oh no! Rocket, transform!
We have to help Rocket fly down, 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 down the waterfall. Can you reach up really high and wiggle your fingers down, 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 down? Here comes the waterfall. Get ready. Reach up really high and wiggle your fingers down, 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 down.